running out of time, but I want
Yes.
2 minutes to answer. This is relevant to all of us. In the context of the way the question is asked, if it is your savings, hard-earned savings in the banks, you earn less and you will have a challenge, yes, that is true. And it is probably the time to be tight with this and manage it. So you will feel, you will have less to spend and you will have, you'll feel less wealthy than you were. In the context of typically what happens with lower interest rates is where people have the money. So there will be also a part which is having the money. And money, either they're employed or whatever. There you will find that these people will afford things. And typically you will have them buying things. So you have 2 ways this could happen. People feeling not as wealthy as they were, demand constrained. And people suddenly find things affordable and going and buying them.
Help कीजिए. And you know, as usual, we are always short of funds. Funds नहीं होते हैं. मैं एक बात कहनी रह गई है. जब मनोबल शुरू किया तो I had sold out my ancestral land, जो last resource था, because मुझे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों किया. No savings, no property. This is the policy from 2013. दिल की बात कह रहा हूँ. मेरे पास सेविंग रहने से ज्यादा मैंने ऐसा सोचा था समीर कि इफ आई वुड एबल टू सेव पीपल्स लाइफ दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. मेरे पास कितनी सेविंग्स है इससे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है कितनी लोगों के जिंदगी हमने सेव की, और सिर्फ सेव नहीं की, जिंदगी बेहतर कर दी. और फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई एम अ मिलियनियर नाउ. Million, billion, what?
If you aspire, aspirations are your possibilities. You achieve. I mean, for example, when I was studying science and I was studying Newton's laws of motion, you know, first law, second law, etc. If somebody would have told me that I would sign in the same book where Newton has signed as a fellow of Royal Society, you know, by the way, the only Maharashtrian who has got this honor in 360 years, I'm proud to tell you, considered probably as next to Nobel Prize, I would not have believed it. So making impossible possible happens if you keep your aspirations high. And I must tell you, I had great influence of my mother on my upbringing, by the way. I was very fortunate to have gurus. I got so many gurus, by the way, not just school teachers, but I learned from everyone. And I remember as you just
on the quality and taste parameters when we are doing product delivery. That doesn't mean it has to be costly, but cost is one thing where we have restrictions about our own production capacities, our own product grouping as such. So generally what we were doing till now, say last 4 or 5 years, we were developing fresh products, over-the-counter products to be sold, or mostly refrigerated products. So all these products like dairy products like Shrikhand is there, so paneer is there, cheese is there, which is low shelf life as well as requires a refrigeration and cost. Being low shelf life, it has to be exported via air. Then the cost is there. So few products which are shipped by ships or boats.
And several things, I found this script and I opened it and see what he has written on it. And we saw it. He turned that script and Oliver typed tha. Oliver. The title of the film was not found till then. It was got Oliver. And बाकी पूरी स्क्रिप्ट टाइप्ड थी. उस वक्त टाइपिंग ही होती थी ना.
जी सही कह रहे हैं.
उस पे हैंड रिटन ऊपर लिखा था टू बी मेड विद सचिन व्हेन 11.
Wow, amazing. This must be on the same day that he had met you.
Must be on the same day. He must have written and kept it in his rack.
Yeah.
And that is why he said, I found out who's Sachin. What Sachin? Like, you know, then we found out and came to know it is you. And now that you
or an automobile, a lot of these contributions have come from chemical industry. The future prospects. One more example I might give you, how agrochemicals assist. See, naked eye cannot distinguish between herb, wheat, and the main plant. And labor is not available when it is required. So you use herbicide, weedicide at some of the most effective herbicides are only used at some kilogram per hectare. And they have an eye. So they can distinguish between weed, herb, and the main plant. And remember, the weed or herb takes up fertilizer at a rate much higher than the main plant. So all your fertilizer is going for growing the weed or the herb and not the main plant or major part of it. Now, future will see an evolving discipline. Chemical industry has been always, chemical engineering has always been evolving.
Their research has not been, they have not benchmarked their research output to the best research schools in the world. Okay, so they are far behind when it comes to research. The only IIM that has now started to get its act together is IIM Bangalore. IIM Bangalore has made a very firm commitment to research under Pankaj Chandra, the former director, who's now at Ahmedabad University. So that is one I would say. The second thing is, as I said, you know, you know, being the unquestionable number one in India has maybe made them a little bit complacent, you know. And the third thing I think, which has not helped in my view, is that for tactical reasons, they decided to name their MBA PGDM.
Like every cell will be produced and it will die. Now, like all our skin keeps on changing. Every time a new skin layer will come up. That's how we remain actually younger, or rather better, because otherwise we cannot carry the same kind of things which keep on your family when you are born. So like our blood cells keep on changing. Now, when that computer in that cell goes crazy and it does not die, it just refuses to die, because all that signals which makes it to the death at that certain phase of time, those are cut. And that when they are cut, then that cell becomes immortal, because it does not want to die and it has its own way of trying to prevent its own death. So it keeps on multiplying.
I never spent any money in politics. I never made money in politics. That is a different thing. That's why I couldn't spend money in politics. Then I don't have a nuisance value. I never troubled anybody. I never blackmailed anybody, despite the fact that I have held 10 cabinet positions. Never did that. So somebody asked me that you don't have any of the characteristics that typical politician, and still you are joining politics. Why? How do you look at it? So I said, I have basically the whole purpose of doing it. I'm sticking my neck out. That is one of my friends from US, who was very close friend of mine. He's an American. He sent me a very interesting, that time there was a fax, not an email. So he sent me a fax saying that you're sticking your neck out. And I really admire you, because we in America, we always criticize politicians, but don't do that. So anyway, this was one part. So there was a business magazine which interviewed me, very long interview. And they said, why you want to join? So I said, I want to change this, that, as well. So as it happens.
But still, talking to you, common sense issues, right? Because I'm a police officer. I'm nothing what I said. So as a police officer, मैं आपसे common sense की बातें करूँगा. एक और चीज बता दूँ, police officer होने के नाते ये भी मेरी experience है कि जब कोई crisis आता है ना, emergency आती है, तो पहला sense जो आपको desert करता है, वो भी common sense ही होता है, unfortunately. But क्या करें, ऐसा ही है. तो मैं आपसे कॉमन सेंस की बातें करूंगा. तो इसीलिए मेरा मानना है कि बहुत सारी चीजें जो मैं आपको आज बोलूंगा, शायद आप उनको ऑलरेडी जानते हो. मैं कोई नई आविष्कार करके, डिस्कवर करके कोई नई थ्योरी आपको नहीं बताने वाला. So common sense things I'm going to talk, things which you probably know, some of them, most of them, even all of them. Even if, but I still request you, even if you know everything I'm going to say today, is this, that you listen once more. एक बार और सुनना. आप कुछ जानते हो, फिर भी एक बार सुनना. क्यों?
Different story. That was, it had a backdrop of the discussion in CTBT, where there was that entry into force clause. And so India was in a kind of catch-22 situation that will either you kind of conduct the test and then decide what you want to do with CTBT. Or if you do not want to conduct the test, then you cannot be blocking CTBT. And at the same time, the security situation was getting worse and worse with two nuclear weapon holding countries which were adversaries as far as India is concerned. And so 1998 were the nuclear weapons test, after which India declared itself as a nuclear